we're very humble in the sense that for the last 3 years, Freddy has been building in the background in stealth mode the VDX technology. There's in the current industry and blockchain, crypto, there's a lot of PR going around, and usually are just announcements whereby we're trying to take the exact opposite mindset, which is we build in the background, and then once we're ready, and I'll talk to you about the defense conversation which we have right now, which probably will put us on the map. VDX, what we're trying to solve essentially is, as we mentioned, there's a lot of innovation around the cryptocurrency space. It's mind-blowing. You're talking about DeFi, NFTs, the metaverse, and so on. Now, most of the innovation happens within the boundaries of cryptocurrency. Yeah? So you're not really tapping into global adoption. So our angle around VDX is to become the bridge between the blockchain and blockchain benefits and the real world. And we're talking applications, companies, developers, and so on. So what we developed is a plug-and-play API, which is empowering companies, developers, to easily leverage the benefits of blockchain. So they can build and use revolutionary applications. And I'll go through a number of examples, but what we're trying to solve, so we are essentially a provenance as a service company. We have a sophisticated hashing algorithm whereby you can issue and verify any assets at scale. And those assets could be either physical or digitally native. Now, the problem we're trying to solve here, apart from global adoption of blockchain, and if you look at the reason why blockchain is so popular and is getting a lot of traction, NFTs is just a direct application of it, is all the benefits around blockchain. And that's something that sometimes people forget about it. Decentralization is one, increased trust, security, cost reduction, transparency, and obviously immutability, which all in all increase efficiency. So what we solve here is as well, if you look at the real world, there's not too many projects which are actually leveraging blockchain technology at large scale. There are a lot of proof of concept, trials, but it's not yet, used seamlessly, through, large organizations. And that's what we're trying to solve here. Now, the reason why this is not happening is for a number of reasons. Number one is usability. It's not an easy way to use it. All the protocols, talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and so on, are all different. They have their own specific peculiarities. There's as well a limited internal expertise across those companies, those large companies, to actually, use and understand what's going on. Integration is a problem, the maintenance, the security, and the privacy. So all those problems explain the reason why so far there's been very little adoption of blockchain technology across the real world and large companies. Now, what is interesting about VDX and the way it's been built from scratch is the fact that we're 100% agnostic. So we developed a technology which is agile and can be deployed across a number of different, industries, devices, format. We're talking about video, pictures, audio, documents, invoices, you name it. We're agnostic as well in terms of the blockchain protocol. We can rely, and we're starting to work on a gaming project with the Solana network, but we can as well interact with Bitcoin, Ethereum. So there's no restriction on our side. And finally, infrastructure. We can deploy in any type of infrastructure from, let's say, defense companies, which usually are in premises, to AWS, up to decentralized, storage, such as like Filecoin on Airwave.